mushroom. Everyone's looking at me filming. Oh. Good morning. It's the last day in Wuhan. We have just arrived to the street food area of Wuhan. However, we're going to eat breakfast at the local restaurant that serves local food. Yesterday was in the most interesting part of the day, or part of the journey itself, so hopefully the street food will make up for yesterday's. Eating baocha. It's really crunchy because they fried the bao. However, very soft in the inside. Ooh, I don't know, it's sticky, yeah? That's very peppery. I think it's a mix of sticky rice and with some mushroom. Next one, pretty much the same. Has chives in it. I think a little bit of I can't really tell. So we have just tried. Oh, she keeps giving me. She keeps giving me. I don't know what is it. She's giving away all the tester. I'm currently holding my, what is it called? Bing fan. Bing means ice, yeah. Mango, dragon fruit, a little bit of raisins, sugar. Let me try. It's fresh in the morning. Mix of jelly as well.
The jelly is funny.
Alan said the jelly means fin. So basically ice with jelly, yeah?
Yes.
Not too bad. The street food here in Wuhan actually sells pretty much similar thing to other street food that I found and I've experienced in China. So if you are keen to visit and try street food, this street food is not bad at all. You should try to visit a little bit in the afternoon. Tell me, what are you drinking?
我赞果
What is that?
They said it's kind of cucumber from South Africa
Oh, really?
and it's very expensive.
How much is that? How much is
I'm
it?
kidding, it's 15 kwai.
How does it taste?
It's a sour. Actually, it tastes like a fruit, not like a cucumber.
You haven't introduced yourself.
My name is Dinara. I'm from Kazakhstan and I study in Wuhan.
Wuhan 大学是吧？
Wuhan 大学, yes. So you can call me Bundiren, Wuhanren.
Wuhan 对对对对对 People from Wuhan.
Yeah, quite 4 years. So looking like local already.
So behind me is a guy cooking publicly. I don't know why, but you can see that. That's the lotus soup that we actually tasted yesterday. Oh my god, everyone's looking at me. It's okay. Gotta go. We're heading back to the bus and then we're moving forward to our next destination. On a personal note, honestly, if you travel, try to avoid group traveling because you can't really experience or interact with the locals. You have to be rushed to go here and there to match the very limited amount of time in order for you to see a lot of things. So that's a downside of group traveling. See that? A little bit of a bridge and a train. Reminds me a little bit of Brooklyn. Looks quite cool and different. Do you want to say hi?
Hello.
This is my
Hi.
personal photographer.
Okay.
This is my personal assistant.
Oh my god! Assistant? Yes.
You've been carrying my bag. No, I'm joking. What's your name?
Call me Nick.
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 N-I-C-K.
Oh,
Nick.
Nick. Where are you from?
Nick.
I mean,
Beijing.
哪里人? Oh, 北京
Beijing.
人是吧? Bangladeshi, proud here.
হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আমি আমার বন্ধুর সাথে ঘুরতে আসছি। এখন আমরা উহানে আছি। Thank you very much.
That I can't understand.
Whispering soft, luring signs, wrapping you around my finger.
阿姨，你们说你好。好。你好，阿姨，你好。你们是漂亮呀。
It's an empty space, we're in a secret love encounter. I'm a lonely heart, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely.
So we have just arrived to the South Lake.
No, East Lake.
Oh, this is East Lake, and we're going to the South Lake.
East Lake, bring me away.
Sorry, I've been napping, that's why. The park has 12, is it true? 12 lakes, yeah? We are currently in front of the biggest lake around the area. If there's one thing that is very much the same between Jakarta and Wuhan, it's the heat. It's crazy. I was told that the lake used to be a lot cleaner than it is right now. Because of the development and everything and pollution, so the government is trying to clear them up. Why do you like taking selfies so much?
Because I will be missing China. So while I will be missing China and trying to remember the days, I will look at the photos.
Tell me, how many photos have you taken?
About 237.
Oh, we had been cycling around. And we're going to eat. Yes, definitely. Yeah. It was quite fun. Look at that hair, all of that sweat. Yes.
I'm a lonely heart, hard feline.
I take what's mine and I leave behind.
We have just arrived to the Yellow Crane Tower, which is actually one of the very symbolic buildings of Wuhan. It is situated in Mount Snake area Also, it's actually standing on top of a hill overlooking the Yangtze River, and it's getting less hotter, which I'm happy about. We're walking up to the crane tower. I guess it's a workout. I don't know if I have mentioned already, but all of the participants that were invited to this event are very fluent in Chinese except me. It's just nice to be back in China. It's nice to be with a group in a situation where you don't want to navigate so much within the city or around the area. So what you have just seen is that how Chinese is trying to throw away the coins into the bowl. Once that they're able to successfully put the coins into the bowl, only then you can actually, how do you say that, make the sound of the bell. Oh my god, my English, I can't even describe. There are plenty of things that Chinese believes in terms of superstitious stuff, so that you can have a better luck, good luck. Like for example, red. If you see, there are so many red colors in China because red brings good luck.
There was a canteen before here, and the yellow crown used to come here. So one of the rich person, he wants to buy this place. Oh, and the crane, it was very special one. He used to dance, and that one rich person, he wants to buy this place, but the owner, he didn't want, because this kind of crane, it was attracting people coming here all the time. So then still he used his power and bought this place, and the owner, that time the crane has come last time, took the owner and fly like to the sky, and the owner of the place become a kind of saint person.
I've just arrived to the second floor, and looking from above I can see the other building, the park, the breeze. It's nice. So I am standing in front of the intersection between Yangtze River and Han River. It's called Hanko, and actually you can see people swimming, which is actually quite dangerous, right? Pretty much about it for today. Last day in Wuhan. It's been a great 3-day trip in Wuhan, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that I get to see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you again next time. Bye! I would say that street food is actually consists of a quite long walk. What was that? And you're supposed to take photo under the sun. Did you see behind? Oh. Love.